It's here, mosquito and tick season. These nasty little critters can make you itch, and worse, they can spread disease. If you don't want to put potentially harmful chemicals on your skin, how can you prevent these bloodsuckers from biting you? Today we'll be discussing herbs you can use to make these annoying pests leave you alone. Summer is awesome, isn't it? You get to spend more time outside, working in the garden, having cookouts, going to the lake and playing with your kids, or in my case, my grandkids. Summer is great, but the bugs that come with summer aren't so great, especially mosquitoes and ticks. But you can grow plants around your yard to discourage mosquitoes and ticks from invading your space. And you can use these plants to make bug repellent so you can spend more time outside without being bit. Rosemary contains terpinolene, a monoterpene, which has been shown to repel insects, including mosquitoes and ticks. In fact, one study showed that rosemary repelled mosquitoes for up to 8 hours after application. Lavender was compared to DEET in effectiveness in repelling ticks and mosquitoes in a study published in 2007. It was shown to be highly effective at concentrations of 10% and 20%, and its actions lasted for more than 120 minutes at these strengths. While much higher concentrations, up to 50%, were needed to prevent mosquito bites for up to 3.5 hours, the 5 monoterpenes found in Thyme were shown to be as effective as DEET in another study. Some participants didn't like the strong scent at this higher concentration. Adding Thyme to a mosquito repellent recipe at less than 50% could boost the effectiveness of other herbs to create a more useful, yet less objectionable product. Would you like a list of herbs that can be used for specific issues so you can plan your medicinal garden? I will leave a link in the description below so you can get one. While you probably enjoy the scent of lemons, evidently mosquitoes don't. Many herbs with a lemon or citrus scent are very good at repelling these bothersome bugs. Lemon thyme, lemongrass, lemon eucalyptus, and lemon balm are all effective in stopping mosquitoes from landing and biting. In fact, some references state that plain lemon juice added to your insect repellent will help keep mosquitoes off of you. I have plenty of lemon balm I can use for free, so I add this to my spray. While catnip attracts cats, it is a powerful insect repellent that works against both mosquitoes and ticks. While studies show that catnip works very well against these annoying bugs, the exact way it accomplishes this hasn't been figured out yet. It really doesn't matter how it works, just that it does. And you may make your cat love you even more when you apply it. So are you ready to make your own bug repellent spray? Here's my recipe, and you can adjust it to make a spray that is pleasant for you. First, gather 3 of the herbs mentioned previously. It doesn't matter which 3, but I suggest using lemon balm or another lemon herb as one of them, since this seems to be the best at repelling mosquitoes. I'm using lemon balm, catnip, and rosemary. Weigh out equal amounts of each herb. For example, 20 grams of each for a total of 60 grams of herb, and put this in a pint jar. If using fresh herbs, chop it finely and add twice as much of 190 proof grain alcohol by volume, or 120 ml. This will produce a 1 to 2 weight volume product. If using dried herbs, use a quart jar and add 5 times as much of 80 proof or higher grain alcohol. For either product, shake the solution daily for 4 weeks, then strain off the solids through a coffee filter. Squeeze this to get every last drop and put the extract in a spray bottle to use when you go outside. Reapply every 2 or 3 hours as needed to prevent mosquito and tick bites. If you found this information helpful but want more information on how to prevent tick-borne diseases, click here. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to keep those bloodsuckers from biting you. Stay healthy, get to making that bug spray, and have a blessed week.